Want faster renders in Blender? In just a few quick steps, I'll show you how to speed up your renders drastically without sacrificing much quality. First, always render with your GPU. By default, Blender uses CPU, but enabling CUDA OptiX under preferences can give you up to 10x speed boost. Seriously, don't skip this. Enable adaptive sampling in the samplings panel and set a noise threshold around 0.05 to 0.1. Blender will stop sampling pixels once their clean speeding syncs up dramatically. Pair it with a reasonable max samples cap, say 800 to 1000, so Blender doesn't oversample noisy spots. Clean image in less time, no wasted cycles. In render light path, reduce max bounces to around 4 or 8 and min bounces to 0 or 1. Especially in non-glossy scenes, this cuts renders time with minimal visual loss. Enable persistent data under the performance panel in the render settings. This tells Blender to keep data between frames or re-renders. Alright, GPU, adaptive samplings, kept samples, trimmed bounces, persistence data. 5 tweaks major speed up. Like for more, subscribe for quick Blender tips. See you next time.